In San Antonio, Mark Harris spotted this beach ball-sized, papery-looking nest near the top of a tree, home to hundreds of flying insects. Should he be concerned about them? It's hard to see individual insects here, but from their behavior, my entomology colleague Wizzie Brown suspects Mexican honey wasps. Wizzie tells us that these wasps are not very aggressive and often ignore human activity. They're also beneficial pollinators and can feed on harmful insects. You'll most often notice the nest when deciduous trees lose their leaves. Writer and Texas master naturalist Cheryl Smith Rogers documented the relocation of one beneficial colony to her Texas Wildscape Habitat Garden. If you're looking to add more native plants this year, it's the perfect time to plant American Beautyberry, a native understory small shrub for part shade. Deciduous in winter, its late spring flowers attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. And in fall, American Beautyberry provides a plethora of purple or white berries to feed birds and small mammals, like this one, shared with us from Agnes Ficus in Fayette County. As we prepare our planting beds for a new season, should we do a soil test? Soil tests determine nutrient levels, so you only need one if you're trying to decide how to fertilize. If you have natives or well-adapted plants, you may never need to fertilize them, in which case a soil test isn't necessary. One important note, it's not just soil fertility, but soil type that determines what will grow successfully for you. Some plants prefer well-drained, even rocky locations, while others need deeper or heavier soil for more water-holding capacity. Be sure you know what type of soil you have in your landscape before you plant. Another question we often get: what's the difference between compost and mulch? The answer is mostly time. Mulch is relatively large aggregate organic matter used to protect the soil from evaporation. Compost is much smaller aggregate organic matter that is broken down over time due to the activity of microbes. Compost can be used as mulch, but those smaller particles break down even further rather quickly, while mulch will break down more slowly. It's best to incorporate compost to the soil when planting, where it assists with water and nutrient holding capacity. Or you can add a thin layer on top of soil each season underneath any new mulch that you apply. Many people often wonder about just what exactly I do as an extension horticulturist. The Extension Service exists to help educate community residents on various topics, encouraging the adoption of best management practices. As a horticulturist, my focus is to help people with issues surrounding landscape practices and gardening. My favorite place to do my job is right here on CTG, but I also give presentations at various events and conferences and organize lectures and workshops. We also have many online resources, and we announce all of our upcoming programs on various websites. One of my most intensive programs is the Master Gardener Training, which I offer at most once a year. After completion of this 8-week course, participants spend a year as Master Gardener intern volunteers. And after successful completion of the internship, participants earn the title of Travis County Master Gardener, where they continue to assist me with implementing my educational programs. The easiest way to find out more about all of our programs is to do an internet search for Travis County Extension Horticulture or call our office. We'd love to hear from you. Check out centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, stories, and videos.